everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you the new items that I received from Inlovearts. I chose this paper. It's a very nice texture. It's not like scrapbooking. It looks like more like recycled paper, but the images are so beautiful. And along with this paper, I chose this one. Those are dies for decorating with coffee. It comes 16 papers and 2 of the same design. So right here, the first 2 look like this. Then look at this beautiful one. See? Then this one right here that has the grain of coffee. Then this one right here looks like newspaper. Then so this is going to be perfect for cards. Look, this color is so beautiful. Then right here, look at this one with grains of coffee in all sizes. Then right here, this one that says coffee everywhere. So beautiful. And the last one is this one that has the grains of coffee in the background. Then I get more dies that I wanted to show you, and one of them is this one right here. This is a set, and I wanted to make like shaker cards or frames for my mini albums, and also I can use them for tags. I really like the shape that looks like a tag. It comes like this, but you have to take them apart like this, see, and then one by one you can use them separated and then make layers with different papers, right, like this. So I will show you my samples after I show you all the dies that I pick. Then look at this. See, it's a set of 3 dies, and we have to separate this one as well. See, and these are so beautiful. Then I got this one that doesn't cut, but it looks like sewing, and you can have a nice background with this one. So beautiful. Has those doodles in there. And the last 2 dies that I chose are, this one is a die that has roses right here, and this oval that can be a very nice for a card. And also I got this one, which is for the side, and I can't wait to try them. It has 2 different designs. This one roses and this one are leaves, and we have to take them apart, and this will be at the edge of the paper. So I will make samples and I'll show you in a minute. And here is my sample. This is a card that I made using the dies right here from the coffee cup, and these are all the details right here. This one is the stem, and I just put it in a heart shape because I put up here these 2 hearts, and this says coffee, and inside says you and me. It's like an invitation to have some coffee, or maybe a card for a friend, sending her a gift card. See? And for this one, I used the papers from the origami papers that I received. All of these beautiful papers that had the coffee theme. So I used those, this one and this one right here. And also this is cardstock, but I think you can see right here, I use this die. It looks like an embossing folder, but it's a die that you can place it in the machine like any other die, and makes these beautiful details in the background. See? So I thought it was good with this theme because it looks like steam over there. See the swirls? It's like this. Okay, so this is my sample for those 3 items. And I really love how these letters are have a backup up here, the shadow, and this is how they look. So beautiful. Okay, now another card that I made is using the next dies I'm going to show you, which is this one right here and these two. Okay, so my first one is using this right here, and for the side is this one with the flowers, and I just put pearls in the centers right here, and also a line of pearls right here, and then again at the bottom. See, and it looks so beautiful and delicate, right? So that's another card. And then right here is one with the leaves, the border leaves. See, this one right here, I just put in green and a top and bottom, and then this one is again another cardstock that I use this background right here, the die right here, and I just put it in the back, and it looks very nice. See, then I made another card using these dies. These are 7 dies in a set, and this is my card right here, and as you can see, it's a very simple card, but something different, right? A lot of frames there, and then you just cut them in colors and put some accents, and that's it. You have a beautiful card. And then I just use one of my embossing folders for the back, and yeah. Then I wanted to show you right here, this flower is one that I bought like this, but for these leaves, those are the ones that I cut from here, and I just use them up here. Okay, so you can save them and use them for embellish your flowers. See, so that's another card. And then I didn't make a card with the following dies, which is the last one right here. I didn't make a card, but I just cut it so you can see. Oh, and here I have the leaves that I show you. Okay, the leaves that you cut from the border die. Okay, so these are the samples that I cut from here, and I love these one. They are so super beautiful, so delicate. It's very gorgeous. Look at this. See, you can cut another square on top and a different color like white or something, and then put a quote, and then put some flowers or something. I'm going to make some projects, and I will show you how I use them. Okay, but this is gorgeous, super gorgeous. I love it. Then this is the first one, the big one, and this is the second one. I'm going to use the card so you can see. Okay, this is the second one right here. You can cut it like this, but you can use this one inside if you want to just put something on top. Okay, then if you want, you can cut this one in a different color, so it's so beautiful. And the last one is this little one. Okay, see how beautiful. So for tags, for cards, for a mini album, those are the samples that I made, and I hope you like this one. If you like, visit the store. The links are going to be in the description box. And thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.